does this and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
What the hell, brother? Heavy AR. Powerful assault rifle that is most useful when fired in short bursts. Yo, we getting like an AK, dog. Let's go. But anyways, that's actually pretty dope. I like that. I like that.
Oh!
Okay,
oh!
buddy. My resub now.
Coming soon, heavy AR. Hold on, let me have my camera. Let me have my camera, bro. Boys, look at that. Heavy AR. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm about to pull out an AK-47.
News? You guys say there's something new on the news? Oh, there's a heavy AR coming? Oh my god, there's an AK coming. AK-47. Interesting. Interesting.
Wow. They're adding an AK-47 to the game.
Oh, mine just came up without even exiting the game.
The heavy AR. Powerful assault rifle that is most useful when fired in short bursts. Does that mean this is gonna do more damage than the SCAR?
Ah! Let's go! Oh my god!
I'm landing this. I'm landing this. Oh my god, I'm not landing this, bro.
Where are you?
Look where I am. Look where I am. I'm out of the map, bro. Yo, what the? I'm
This
so
is the
dead.
scrimplay. Just glide up here until everyone dies, and you win the game.
Where did I go?
Where are you?
Bro, I went off of the map.
Get over here, baby. Get over here. Jump. Now get over here. Yep, just like that. Yep, and you go to bed. That's what you get, buddy. Alright? Gotta default my fucking deek, man. Gotta default. Get this kid out of here, man. Get him out. Get him out of here, noob. Freaking noob.
It's E D C D E E E.
Is it
E D E G G
E G G?
What am I looking at? What am I looking at right now?
All right, here you go. Ready, Luke?
Time to do it. Okay. I was hoping that you guys would duo snipe simultaneously, both headshots, and that would have been romantic. But I guess not.
Say I'm gonna scrim. Yo, we gotta get into the circle. Can I pop balloons and then drop them?
There's people east on the.
Oh no, it doesn't work like that. Can't do that. What the?
I'm gonna farm trees.
Dude, you gotta see my character right now. What the?
What's happening? What's happening?
You gotta see my character. What the heck is he doing? Wait, look at me. Where you at? You see my guy's hands?
Below. Let me see. No, it's not. It's just normal. Is your guy bugged?
Yeah, you gotta see his hands. Oh my god.
Wait, let me see your hands up close.
You don't see my gun going up in the sky?
No, it's normal. It's a game bug.
Is this gonna stay like this forever? You gotta see this. You're gonna lose your.
I'm gonna watch a clip.
Oh my god, it won't go away.
Boom! Fucking hell, dude. Again! Fucking garbage fucking game! Holy shit! This game is fucking trash!
Yo, Myth, I have a trap in here, and there's a guy below.
Alright, dude. Go. I fucking hate you, dude. I was gonna say, it makes no fucking sense, but I'm down to kill him.
Get your baited, buddy.
Why?
Shit.
You got meds?
Yeah, I got some minis, but that's about it.
Fuck you.
I think he's under, and I see traps, so I'm just like. 20 feet. Got him. Oh wow, you got him. Lit.
Yeah, trap in there.
Mini right there if you need it.
I do. I can't fire.
Campfire, I'm coming. Full pot that I probably should have taken, but I didn't. I'm lit.
Lupo! Lupo!
Bro! What? What are we yelling about?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
He ran into a trap.
I didn't run into a trap.
Now he's dead in the zone. Now he's dead in the zone.
The only option I had! Save me!
I'm not saving you. You're effing dead later, dude. How do you do that? How?
It was the only option, dude.
Get back here, baby. This guy thinks that like he just got away clean and I'm not like right behind him or anything.
Ninja. Look at him. He's presenting it. Do you see him? Look at him.
Oh my god.
Ninja.
Let's go, man. Yo, shout out to this guy, man. Beautiful.
Bye.
Absolutely beautiful. Can we get some loves out? Guys, can we get some ninja hearts in the chat, please?
No, wrong way, wrong way. What if he headshots me while I'm doing this? He could headshot. Oh god. He could headshot me, chat. Oh, if he headshots me, he deserves it. Heal up, bro. Heal up. Come here, baby girl. Come here.
Hi, guys. Hi. Don't mind me. Oh my god. What are these balloons, bro? What just happened? Oh my, clip it. Clip it. Clip it.